Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. This is Hero and I'm selling the wedding stuff guys. If it's your first time on my YouTube channel guys, please subscribe right now. You will get the good prices on my YouTube channel Hero Wedding Decor guys. So today the customer is coming. You need the stretch tent guys, which is you need the 5 meter and you need 2 pieces, 5 meter black and 5 meter red color. So if you need it also the stretch tent, then you can tell me, we'll make for you guys. So now we just start the stretch tent and let's start to the stretch tent and you can check how I make the stretch tent and the design guys. So let's start it. We'll make 2 different designs guys. So I hope you like this video guys. If you like, please give the big thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel for more video guys. Let's start to the design guys. So I'm starting for the red guys, and this is I'll make the 2 different designs guys. The customer said you need the same. I think he need the same, but I'll make the same design guys. So the customer they can happy guys. Or I'll make 2 different design. I'm thinking I can make different design, then will be like so if you need also 5 meter or 10 meter guys, you can tell me on the comments guys. We can make for you, is not a problem guys. This is little bit will be a different design guys. It's not that design which is I was before I upload the video, which is 8 by 8. I think it will be not the same design. Go back to screen. Caesar. So now we just make the design guys. Okay. Will not cut this corner. This is little bit of different design guys. It's not the same. Just show you now the design guys, how is looking this one, and after we'll cutting the black one. This will be look like this guys. This is too much horse, but when you straight guys, they will be looking amazing. Come Bashir, show them. Now you straight them Bashir, straight. Look guys, how is looking beautiful. When you straight more guys, it's looking more than nice guys. Look at, we just make like this guys. So when you put it the top on the top or for the side, when you straight too much guys, this one is looking so beautiful. But when you not straight, they will be look like this. That is not looking nice guys. So we cut now 5 meter black guys, and 5 meter will cut another piece. So this stretch tent guys, you can also using for how many people? You can using for 15 people or 20 people or to 10 to 20 people. You can also using this stretch tent. This one is guys is 3 by 5. This is the stretch tent. Oh sorry, this one is 3 by 5. The stretch tent guys. So this one will just make different design. We're not making the same design because they will be not looking the nice guys. And black color stretch tent now is available guys. If you need it, you can tell me if you need the 7 by 12 or 5 by 10 or 5 by 5, or if you need 6 by 6, or if you need 7 by 15, or if you want 9 by 18, any size you want it guys. The stretch tent is available, black and red and royal blue, all color is available guys. This design guys is so easy. If you watch the video, you will know the guys how is making so easy the stretch tent. So you can also making it there in the home. If you just got a scissor, only the scissor. Now it's looking like this, guys, but when you open it will be looking more than nice, guys. Look it now. Just touch all the look now, guys, how it's looking. Not too much holes, center plane, and for the side only design, guys. Look it when you straight, but you should straight them. Look it, guys, the flower is so looking beautiful when you straight. So it will be just looking like here, guys. So I hope, guys, you like this fresh 10, guys, which is the 3x5, guys. If you like, please let me know on the comments, guys. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, guys. If you like, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos, guys. And I see a lot of customer they not watch the video, guys, and after just comments down, guys, this is how much. So we will not respond you because if guys, and I'm upload with the prices, which show you everything, how we decorate it, how we make it, guys. So I'm just tell you one thing, so you can watch please the full video, then you know the size, you know the price, and then you know how to I'm making, guys. So I hope you like this video and this suggestion, guys. If you like the video, big thumbs up, share this video with your friends and your families, guys, then you can get the good prices on this YouTube channel, anyone family members, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you to next video on soon, guys. Bye bye. So guys, this is a stretch 10 color is available, guys. You need any color, guys, any color you wanted, guys, just let me know in the comments, guys. All color is available, all color is available. Any color you wanted, guys, let me know. This is the new roll, I just bring it.